Okay guys, so in today's video, we are gonna be covering LG Science's One Andro. This is part of the LG Science's cutting kit. We got the cutting kit, the trifecta kit, the bulking kit, the battle hardener kit, but we also sell everything in these kits as individual standalone prohormones as well. I think to date, we've only reviewed the Epiandro and this one, so we'll have to go through some of the others. We'll have some videos coming to you guys on those here in the near future. But I'd say probably one of the most popular is going to be this One Andro here. And with One Testosterone being gone, One AD being gone, Blackstone Labs Chosen One sometime being spotty with availability, this is another great option.
Yeah, absolutely. So obviously with One Andros, that's going to convert to One Testosterone in the body. So that's going to be lean, dry gains. This doesn't aromatize to estrogens. You really don't have to worry about an estrogen blocker. Now this specific One Andro is the 3B hydroxy andros 1E and 17-1. So there really isn't an ester attached to this one, but this is a semi-decent alternative if you are, looking for a 1AD or a 1 testosterone. Maybe you try Chosen One. If you like Chosen One, Chosen One's probably one of my favorite ones to take, in addition to obviously the one, testosterone. But dosing wise, it's 50 milligrams, so it's very mild. Like I know the One Testosterone I think was 110.
110, yeah.
The Chosen One is 65 milligrams, and then the 1AD I believe was 75 milligrams. So very mild, definitely a really good like beginner's One Andro, or obviously again if you've been looking for one test, this is pretty much, besides Chosen One, what your option is.
And well, Chosen One's fantastic, especially the 3 esters.
Yep.
They did just recently hike the price up to 84.
Yes.
So if you're trying to be a little bit more budget conscious with your stack, you're taking a couple different things, want to cut the cost down, this could be another great one for that. What might somebody want to stack this with?
Definitely, obviously, if you're taking a One Andro, your likelihood is you're either cutting or just trying to put on some lean mass. So if you're cutting, LG Sciences has their Epiandro. I really like dimethazine. Gives you 250 milligrams of Epiandro per tablet you take twice per day. You could stack it with Trenibol for a lean muscle stack, or if you're trying to put on a little bit more size, something like Halidrol would be good to go with that. Brutal Force from Blackstone Labs, just to put on a little bit more mass. Any of the nandrolones, Trenibol, Decadurabolin, Decabolin, it can go pretty well with pretty much anything.
Would it make sense to add this to a bulking stack? Someone's taking Sustanon and Equipoise or something like that?
You can. I really wouldn't push for it. I'd really say stick with a 4 Andro and maybe throw in like a Decadurabolin. You can, just to get a little bit more dry mass into your stack, maybe reduce some of that water retention. So you can. I don't normally recommend it, but you definitely can.
And this is twice a day. How far apart would you take these?
So we always recommend at least 6 to 8 hours apart. So if you do this in the morning, do this second tablet around mid-afternoon.
Okay. I'm trying to think. We cover everything about this one?
I think so.
Okay, so even though this is part of the cutting kit, we do sell this as a standalone. You can buy it on its own. One bottle will last you 30 days for a 30-day or a 4-week cycle. We always recommend an 8-week cycle, so you'd want to get 2 bottles of these. But again, if you're looking for an alternative to One Testosterone, this is a good one.